All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the CMF Conquest custom knife. Here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella right over here. This is a custom version of the Conquest made by CMF Metalworks. It is a pretty interesting knife, guys. Let's check the size on this one because interestingly there is like a 3.2 inch long cutting edge and 4.6 inch long handle for an overall length of 8 inches for this bad boy right over here. I mean, guys, come on, look at these lines. This is pretty unique, beautiful swedge going on. Look at these curves to, you know, create this handle shape, which is pretty unique. And look at this. Holes going on, nice chamfering. This finger groove is fantastic. I'm not sure about this divot here. I mean, I can see it, like, you know, it's gonna work like that, but it's probably not perfect. I don't know, it doesn't feel right because, like, taking advantage of the finger choil right here, you see it exposes a little bit to that sharp corner right there, my finger. This one kind of like stops because there's no jimping, so it stops like the thumb to go in further, because here you also have like this swedge which is like pretty aggressive, you know, but you know, you have a very unique design in this area. Love this finger groove, not so sure about the divot, and the finger choil is pretty good as well. Standoff titanium frame lock, titanium with this orange peel, tip up carry only pocket clip, external relief for the lock bar, some holes going on the handle, which I'm really not a fan of. There's a couple of nitpicks I have here. We're gonna check out those more thoroughly in the full length review. This thing, like, it wants to be deployed like with a push button, because if you kind of like do the light switch and you're like low in pressure, you can easily fail this fella. Let's also check the weight on this one because it's pretty well contained. It's even if there's no internal skeletonization going on, it's not too bad, like under 4 ounces. Look at that, 3.98, so not too shabby. But hey, if you're curious and you want to know more, you can also check out my full length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.